Ahabo mwetogu aho muri Mbarara City miliyoni 28 nizo zarundanwa ahari biliyoni 9 eziri kwetengwa okugura ekyoma ekirabe nikikora abarwire b'endwara y'ekokoro ahari Nsambya Hospital omuri Kampala. Ahari biliyoni 9 eziri kwetengwa biliyoni 4 nizo zarundanwe.
Whoever finishes will come back to the pitch and start.
Tukora statistics twara mu Ankole region already twara collectinga nka miliyoni 24 target yitu no kumenga shuwa ngutwamara o 2025 tushemera kwa funding over this center.
For 13 years, Centenary Bank has been honored to partner with Rotary Uganda, other sponsors, and millions of Ugandans here and abroad on this cause.
Rotary House basa kwirukanga to create awareness in Ugandans and all Ugandans kugira ngo babase kumanya mukasa neita konka wajumanya itakajiro mu late stage no basa kuchira
twayongera koreka abantu Rotary ebirunje bye gukora hati nka vest sizes tuguzire tukongere byome ebikujanja bakansa omwiroro rya Nsambya.
Okwiruka oku kajirwe Vision Group, Centenary Bank, Crystal Water n'ebindi bitongore.
Now, the reason why
okwiruka oku kutebekanisibwe Rotary Club kandi bashagikirwe Vision Group, Centenary Bank, Crystal Water hamwe n'ezindi company. Okwiruka kwahita bamwe abebembezi abeji polisi n'abandi bantu ba burijo.
$300 million shillings is just a drop in an ocean, even for this given project. Continue to convene, roll their heads together, and realize they needed a whooping 13 billion shillings.
Sisubira nti abantu abali mu office ezokwa balwala cancer. Wali badde abantu bano bonna abantu ba bulijjo basomesa ekintu ekyo. Aba taxi, bodabodas, bano bannekola jange bonna basobole okwenyigira mu mulimo guno kubanga bwe kibakigulirwa kigenda kuyamba ffenna.
Twebaza buli omu yenna, twebaza Media Houses, Vision Group, twebaza Buyamba FM, Pesh wali, TV Western Kahona, Sunday wali, n'abalala.
Hona kwahikwaho omushaho wayegesa habika by'ekokoro ebikizire kwita abantu.
Kansa wo mabwana abana mu Uganda yakyasinze. Kansa ddako tulaba nti wa mabere. Omulala aliko mu Uganda kansa ow'omawugwe. Oyo yetasosola oba muto oba mukulu. Kansa omulala aliko mu Uganda kansa wa koloni oba ekyenda gyekisembera nga tufuluma. Omuganda nkaaga omuri Kagadi biruka kilometers 8 okwetoolora etawuni ya Kagadi kandi bashawo obutosha okwechebeza n'okumanya amagara gaabo okugemi. Josephine Nampeo oli omuhezi wa Vice Chancellor wa African Royal University kandi wabali omwiruki mukuru yasiima entebeekanisa zonna ezigenderire okulwanisa endwara y'ekokoro.
Ito obutukuba nitwetaba omukisa size kino ekyokwiruka kikuba nikikonyera abantu baitu habwokuba ensonga nkuru eri okusoroza sente kurorangu bagura ebyoma ebirakonyera kurorangu byayita obubuka obwo bukuba nibuleta kokoro mbomezi bw'abantu baitu.
Sora kwa mtosobere kuyiruka utine gas batro utine gas tikiri twa mateka nayo kugira akateke kuwateka yo oba kuwahereza yo abokura kwarwanisa anyamwitonu kokoro.
This is good for people who want to work out, who need to keep fit, and distance that we're given is not very long.
Kandi ntureba ngu abakaze cancer esingire kutwita munonga ningashi affecting mnonga ni cervical cancer, so ni ntere omuranga bakazi mwena let us go for cancer cervical cancer screening kwenda ngo bundu cancer bachikwate chirinto rero kutandika yitwa Nizli Beach Ward.
So by creating awareness, we are helping in early detection, and then management becomes simple.
Thank you so much for participating. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for running. Thank you for standing together with someone out there who is having cancer. And you've not left them alone. This is a testament that you are together with them.
Gasha kwa Adolf Ayoreka, Sandeke William na Thomas Tumwebaze.